Did you know that over 40% of Americans are worried they might outlive their savings? It's a terrifying thought, especially for retirees. You worked hard your whole life to save for retirement, but with rising inflation and economic uncertainty, that nest egg could be shrinking faster than you think. But here's the truth. There's a way to protect your wealth, and it doesn't involve risky stock market moves or expensive annuities. Let's talk about a strategy that's been trusted for centuries, one that stood the test of time even during economic crises. I'm talking about gold IRAs. And today, we're going to show you exactly how you can use this simple tool to make sure you never outlive your wealth. But first, let's dive into what's happening in the world right now. The economic landscape is shifting fast. Banks are struggling, inflation is eating into purchasing power, and it's becoming harder to rely on traditional investments. The reality is, many retirees are seeing their hard-earned savings dwindle because of these unpredictable times. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, gold? Isn't that a bit old-fashioned? Well, here's the kicker. When everything else is uncertain, gold has remained a safe haven. From recessions to market crashes, gold has not only held its value, but it's actually increased in times of financial uncertainty. And that's exactly why a gold IRA could be the right fit for you. If you're thinking about preserving your wealth, think about this. Gold IRAs allow you to move your retirement savings into physical gold, which is immune to the volatility of the stock market. You can protect your nest egg from inflation, currency devaluation, and even political instability. It's a safeguard that has worked for generations. So, how do you get started? First, you need to know if a gold IRA is right for you. That's why we're offering a free, no-obligation consultation with our experts to help you understand your options. This isn't some sales pitch or free silver gimmick. This is real, honest education about how to protect your retirement. We'll walk you through the process, explain how gold IRAs work, and show you if it's the right solution for your situation. But here's the catch. This offer is only for serious Americans who are looking to protect their wealth. If you've got $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, you owe it to yourself to learn more. Don't leave your retirement to chance. You've worked too hard to let it slip away. Take action now and schedule your free consultation today. And for those of you with less than $100K in savings, don't worry. We've got a free guide for you too, helping you take the first steps towards securing your future. Now, here's the secret that'll change the way you think about your retirement. If you watch this video until the end, I'll show you how gold IRAs have helped retirees just like you double or even triple the value of their retirement savings in just a few short years. This is the kind of strategy you need to outsmart inflation and market crashes, and it's more accessible than you might think. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your consultation. No pressure, no sales tactics, just one-on-one education to see if gold IRAs are the right fit for you. Your retirement deserves to be secure. Let's make sure you don't outlive your wealth. You've worked hard. Now, it's time to protect your future.